earth signs checking this out. I am C, the spiritual guide, is here for your earth sign love message. Yes. Leave me a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn emoji if you are a earth sign checking this out. So without further ado, earth sign, let's go ahead and get into your message. Okay, earth sign. So the song I got for you was Between the Lines, Win, Bun, and Faith Evans. So I'm definitely getting, you guys very much may have, look, a very like nostalgic love. This could be like a long-term relationship, someone you've been with for a long time. You may have felt that you've known this person for a long time. By the way, this is the Melody Majesty deck. I love this deck, by the way. This is very much a sort of like a ride or die type of love that I'm getting here. So the next one we got Common Law. Yeah, so I'm getting that this is one of those things where you're being called to be like, your commitment may be like tested, and not in a way of like things are happening bad. Maybe the person is saying like they want things to move to the next level. Maybe they're saying like, you know, they want to move in. Maybe this is very much, you guys are very much connected, kind of codependent a little bit on each other. But I'm getting very much, this is very much of a, how would I say it, like long-term commitment that I'm picking up. Wanda vibes. So some of you, y'all could be like a little dependent and connected through, you know, the DRUGS. I can't say that on YouTube, so you might want to slow it down with that if you guys are. But some of you, I feel like this could be a mean codependency too. So there may be a little bit of codependency there. Spirit is telling you it's very important that you practice a healthy balance in your relationship. It's very much important that you still have your own identity. So keep that in mind. And then praying. So I'm getting, this is very much a situation that you may have been praying for a lot of you. Maybe you're praying for your partner in the situation. They could have a drug problem, and maybe you are praying for them to get refuge out of that. I'm picking up, maybe that's for some of you. But I'm also picking up that this could be very much a situation that you may have prayed for, you may have been longing for. So let's go ahead and get into some true love oracle cards. Reparenting yourself. So when I get this card, I'm getting like, this is very old school. You know, this could mean like a long-term like relationship, but this could also mean dependency. It feels like you're parenting the person in your relationship, but Spirit is saying you need to reparenting yourself. You need to be learning putting those in yourself, that love in yourself. But for some of you, it could be that maybe this relationship is teaching you things about your past that you need to heal from, maybe from your childhood, maybe things with your parents more so. Commitment. So yeah, this is very much a serious commitment that I'm seeing. Very much so. Some of you could be married. Some of you could be calling on your partner to commit to you. But I definitely see like a very soul level commitment and some level life purpose. Yeah. So some of you could be feeling like we got this codependency, or some of you could be feeling like, you know, you're ready to walk down the aisle, or some of you can be feeling like this is a life connection. This is something that you're meant to do. For some of you, you may have been making your partner like their issues, their dependency in substances, your whole purpose, and you may need to actually put some self-worth into your own heart chakra. But for some of you, I definitely feel like you know, this is what you're supposed to be. This situation is very divinely guided. So serendipity. Yeah, so I feel like for a lot of you, you may be in a period where you feel like, you know, it's just you and your partner. Everything is in harmony. I'm picking up a period of harmony for some of you. For some of you, you might be praying for a period of harmony between you all. I am getting a sense of finding balance and still pouring those parts that you feel lacking of into yourself. You need to, instead of your partner. But I am getting that this is definitely, you guys are definitely going into a good period for the most part. I feel like this is a very harmonious period that you guys are going into. So let's get into your final oracle card messages. So we got, imagine all the unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. So for a lot of you, Spirit is saying, like, you know, if you have been, maybe you've been asked to take a deeper commitment, and Spirit is saying, like, you know, all that negativity, those negative thoughts, like, just let that go. Even if it's negative thoughts from your past, like, let all of that go. You guys are going to a period where there is new opportunities for you guys to grow. So just keep that in mind when you think about your thoughts. So this card is very much yin and yang for me. Balance. Look, we got balance. We talk about balancing between yourself and pouring so much in your partner. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. So yeah, you definitely want to find balance in that. If you guys are finding yourself sometimes getting in arguments, don't think it's all the end of the world. You guys are going to be tested. I feel like some of you, you're going through a period where you're going to be tested, but Spirit is saying that you're going to be fine for the most part in your relationship. So do keep that in mind. But also find balance within yourself. Like, don't put so much into your relationship that you also forget about yourself. You know, make sure you find that balance between being with your partner and also finding time for self-love, if that makes sense. All right, Earth signs, let me know what you think about your love message. I'm so curious to hear from you. Also, guys, don't forget, for $18, you could book your own personal love reading. Find out more details in the comments below. Until then, all my guys and goddesses, don't forget to always rock your crown. See you in the next video. Peace.